Hey guys, Bruce Thompson here, Regional Sales Manager for Sabre by Forest River, coming to you live from Dallas Fort Worth RV Party here at Funtown RV. I'm going to showcase a little bit here of the 37FLL. It's a flagship floor plan for us. Voted 2021 Must-See RV by RV Business Magazine. Come on down the side, we'll look at a few things here. Massive pass-through storage gives you lots of space for your camping gear, lawn chairs, camping chairs, all your different baggage compartments. Fun little leash latch here. It's gonna give you plenty of little space there for your dogs. Everybody loves to bring your dogs camping with you. As we move on down, the secure steps are kind of a fun feature that we have here. Makes it so when you're going in and out of the RV, you're not gonna feel the movement and the shaking of the traditional old RV steps. We also showcase with you here a nice outdoor kitchen. You're gonna have a small little mini fridge here to keep your beverages cold, not having to go in and out of the RV just to get some drinks. And of course, a cook stove helps you cook those things outside that you don't want to smell up the inside of the RV with. With Sabre, we believe in safety, all right? We believe getting to your destination is just as important as being at your destination. So we include visual tire pressure monitors on every single Sabre. When you have correct tire pressure, the cap of this is going to be green. When your tire pressure goes low, it'll either turn yellow or red, depending on how low the tire pressure actually is. Fun little safety feature. Every time you get fuel or hook up your RV, you should check your tire pressure. We make it easy. Just take one quick look, and if you see green, you know you're good to go. If you see red, you know you need to add some air to that tire. Automatic leveling system comes standard on every single Sabre. Push one button, this camper is going to level itself. Another thing that we believe, again, the safety, we install a backup camera on every single Sabre from the manufacturer. A lot of RVs in the industry today are gonna prep it for a backup camera. We don't want you to have to spend an extra $800 on a backup camera. We want to give it to you directly from the factory because we do believe in safety. We want you to always know what's going on back here behind your camper. Let's take a look inside. So inside this Sabre here, you're gonna find a very nice front living room area. You're gonna have couches on both sides that are gonna pull out into beds. And then right here, directly across from the TV, you're gonna have theater seating with heat and massage built into it. Both of these recline to make it real comfortable when you're sitting here watching a movie. The fireplace in every Sabre, standard, all right? That fireplace produces approximately 450 square foot of heat. So you can heat up a lot of the RV just by using the fireplace and not having to run through your propane. We do feature a massive TV up here in the front. So when you're having movie night with the kids, you're gonna have plenty of space for watching TV. Let's go back here to the kitchen. We call this a chef's kitchen, all right? And what that features, solid surface countertops. You can put your hot pans directly onto the surface, stainless steel sinks. You're gonna have a 30-inch residential microwave. You don't have to mess with that little tiny popcorn microwave that only fits bags of popcorn. True residential size. You're gonna have a massive 17 cubic foot refrigerator. This refrigerator is a special refrigerator. This is a 12-volt refrigerator, which allows you more options to run off-grid with solar power. On the roof of the Sabre already outside, we equip it from the factory with a small solar panel. That panel is good to help keep your battery charged. But if you want to do more off-grid camping, having a 12-volt refrigerator gives you a lot more options, as the refrigerator is a lot more efficient. It can be better ran off of solar. Master bathroom right here. It's got a very good sized shower, lots of headroom, features a stool that you can sit on. This is a good time for me to talk about our zebra shades. These are very neat, new to the industry. Allows you to determine how much light you let in. You can raise it, lower it, completely black it out. Really unique blinds. People love those blinds. Every Sabre, you're gonna find standard, a king-sized bed. All right, this is the master bedroom. So you're gonna have king-sized bed, lots of closet space, hanging clothes, drawers, windows. You're gonna have 2 air-conditioned vents back here in the bedroom, so it's gonna be easy to keep it cool. In this closet here, it is prepped for a washer and dryer, so you do have room for a washer and dryer in this unit as well. And if you wanna go on up there, it's a decent-sized loft. You'll see it's room for plenty of kids on both sides. They've got plug-ins up there, room for a TV, game systems. The storage loft here on the left normally just a storage loft for them to put their suitcases, but we do see people with toddlers having their kids sleep on this side as well, depending on how many they need to sleep. And there's more features. I've got plenty to go through, but we're out of time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please get a hold of Funtown. They'll be happy to answer all your questions for you.